Hello my viewers around the globe, this is Simaligas, the only man who wishes everyone at least to have one cryptocurrency in your wallet. That is our goal and we need to achieve it in the nearby future. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe and click on the bell icon. And for that reason, you can earn up to 7,210 if you open with me a Binance account, Bitget account, bybit account and Coinbase account, and you deposit some money automatically and you earn up to that amount. Just go in my description below and you will find all those links. So with that said, let's start the video. So for today's video, I want to show you how you can get a crypto wallet address on Bitget. The first thing you have to do, you go on asset, you click on deposit. So on deposit, exactly, you select the coin which you want to deposit. So after selecting the coin, then you select chain name. Now for instance, you're going to select BTC. So this is the deposit address, and even you can change another coin. Let me say Ethereum. So once you select Ethereum, this is the address. So even if you want to change maybe to USDT, and USDT you can use Ethereum ER2 and dependingly. So this is the address, and this is the transfer automatically to spot. You can change it maybe to pay, maybe to USDT, depending on what you want. So that's how you can get a deposit address. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. Comment on this very video. Bye for today. We meet again.